Hi, let's see the beautiful penthouse with a 3-bedroom and 2 full bathroom. This beautiful penthouse has 220 square meters of the living area. As you can see, it has a beautiful open space, beautiful white kitchen, high ceiling. Now we're in the living area. As you can see, it's a big space with a lot of lights and beautiful marina view. So you can enjoy the viewing, you can enjoy a sea breeze. Also here you can find a 3-bedroom with a beautiful kitchen with a huge island where you can cook. We have a gas stove and gas oven. We have a fridge here. So that's really nice to cook here because you can cook and you can see a beautiful view. There's not enough space here in the kitchen. We have an extra space to keep your stuff. Now we are going to the dining area. Beautiful dining area for 6 persons. So you can enjoy your dinner with your family with a beautiful view on the marina. So, and let's go to see how it looks outside. This is the part of the apartment, the huge balcony that has a view on the marina, on Puerto Aventuras, and also on the pool. This pool belongs to the building. It has sunbeds, semi-Olympic pool. Also, the part of the common area has a special space where you can invite your guests and do a barbecue or wherever you want. So, for example, if you have a lot of guests, you don't have to be in your apartment. You can spend time outside of your apartment. And now let's go to the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom of the apartment. It has a beautiful king-size bed with a good mattress. It was decorated with a wood panel, and you have your fans, you have your air condition. The master bedroom has a walk-in closet. One you can use for a woman, and another one can be used for a man. And it's master bedroom bathroom that has 2 sinks, shower, and the toilet. Also, the bathroom has a window, so during the day you have a natural light that is very comfortable. Let's go to see another bedrooms. And we're again in the living room. Look at this living room, how it looks. A beautiful couch with the cushions and with a beautiful view on the marina. What can be better to spend time in this beautiful apartment? Let's go to see another bedrooms. This is the green bedroom. It has a big double bed, king size, mirror, and a closet. This is the second bathroom with a 1 sink, natural light, and a shower. And it shared with 3rd bedroom. So you can come here and you can see beautiful 3rd bedroom with a closet, with a shelves. And now I'll show you the rooftop of this apartment. On the rooftop, we have a jacuzzi, we have a view on the marina, and we have a beautiful cover space where you can do a barbecue, where you can invite your guests and have a great time. So I show you guys the apartment that can be rented for a long term, and also this apartment is for sale. So if you want to get more information about the prices, please contact with us and we will send you all the information about this apartment. Bye!